came as a stunning surprise. Legacy Health and OHSU now pulling the plug on their proposed merger.
Yeah, we talked about this for quite some time. So this announcement comes as those who were against the deal claimed it would reduce competition and drive up costs. Let's bring in Joelle Jones. She's live tonight with much more on this developing story. Joelle?
Well, Liz, I asked Legacy and OHSU what drove this decision, but no specifics yet. The Oregon Nurses Association says they're disappointed as they thought the deal would improve working conditions. But a financial expert says between recent pushback and a shifting economy, he's not surprised.
They were, two of the biggest providers in the Portland region. And so that's already going to raise some red flags.
Economists reacting as Legacy Health and OHSU call off a mega merger. The agreement was announced in August of 2023. Since then, OHSU declared layoffs. Legacy nurses voted to unionize, and an OHA community review board tasked with assessing the deal voted to oppose it last month. Eric Fruits with the International Center for Law and Economics says even if the proposal was greenlit, it likely would have faced scrutiny from the Federal Trade Commission.
The concern would be that it would reduce competition, and it would reduce competition because you're taking two large healthcare providers and merging them into one. And so that's something that OHSU and Legacy just couldn't get away from.
The merger would have combined more than 32,000 employees and 100 locations, with OHSU committing $1 billion to expand services following years of financial challenges for both institutions. But Fruit says potential cuts under the new administration could threaten OHSU's ability to take Legacy under its wing.
President Trump has threatened to cut National Institutes of Health funding, reducing funding for the National Primate Research Center. And that could end up being tens or hundreds of millions of dollars for OHSU. And so in that sense, even if OHSU was in a stronger financial position when the deal was mentioned, they may not be in that same position today.
Neither Legacy or OHSU agreed to an interview today, writing in a joint statement, after careful consideration of the evolving operating environment, the organizations have determined that the best way to meet the needs of the communities they serve is to move forward as individual organizations.
And Fruits says it will be interesting to see how both OHSU and Legacy move forward with these financial strains separately and what impacts, if any, this has on patient care. Reporting in Southwest Portland tonight, I'm Joelle Jones, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah, that is an excellent point. All right, Joelle, thank you.